Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today we're taking a look at this Chevy work truck. This is a 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 work truck, and it is for sale at the date of this video posting here at AlphaCars Motorcycles. You can view the availability and the pricing on our website, alphacars.com, as well as a bunch of technical data about the vehicle, including the factory options, the accessories it has, and even the remaining tire and brake life, as well as some nice improvements we made to the truck. So check that out, alphacars.com. The link is always at the top of the description of the video. So in this video, we're just gonna do a quick condition overview of the Silverado. It is in really nice shape. It was a one-owner truck. To our knowledge, it was a private solar contractor who ordered the truck brand new, had these awesome accessories put on it, and now we're representing the truck here. So let's just start on the exterior, check out all the painted surfaces, and you can see there's some dings and dents around the truck. There's some imperfections, but it is remarkably rust-free. It is in very nice solid condition, which is why we are representing it here. Looking at the rear bumper, there's the tow hitch there. Coming around to the passenger side. Even these steel wheels, they're in really nice shape. Nice aggressive tires for all the heavy duty use that you could potentially use the truck for. Even look at the headlight lenses and the grille. It's all in really nice condition, actually. Very nice to see. Same thing with the hood. A little bit of dust from sitting outside here a few days. And yeah, you can see the roof there. This has the BrandFX Utility Bedcap with a folding rack system. It also has I believe it's under the hood or somewhere in the truck, it has a CTEK Solar Charge Controller. And inside of this bedcap situation is a CargoGlide Slide-Out, which actually, let me open this. And we can see in here, of course, you can tell the truck was used, it obviously was, but it is in really nice shape and has a ton of more use in it, of course. So there's the back compartment here with that CargoGlide Slide-Out situation. And let me free up a hand so we can twist and open these. Already there's some equipment storage in here. And you can see the seals all in nice shape. You can turn this back down and latch it there. Let's go over to this side and take a look here. There we go. You can see everything is in nice shape. Sorry for the little bit of shaky camera work. It's only about 20 degrees today in New England. I'm doing my best doing this quick video here. So as we've now kind of gone over the outside, including, the bed cap area and the goodies inside, just kind of showing some of this rack equipment here. And like I said, on the online listing, you can view the even the factory options this truck had. Because like I said, this previous owner of the truck, they did order it new. They optioned it exactly how they wanted. It has some really nice factory options, never mind the, many thousands of dollars worth of the accessory equipment there. It does have an aftermarket center kind of metal storage area. And you got the rubber floors all in really nice shape. Some additional equipment there. Looks like it is missing a little seat adjustment thing there, but I'm sure that's not too hard to get. That would just be a factory component. Let me try and block some of the sun glare. You can see the dash is in really nice condition, as well as the headliner. Nice light headliner there. I will start the truck up in just 1 second when we get over to the driver's side. Looking at the passenger door card. But yeah, like edges of the doors, rocker panel. You can see it's in really nice condition. Even looking in the door hinge area, there's no like hidden rust in there or anything. This passenger seat looks really nice as well. You can see the material. There's no obvious discoloration or anything. And now let's take a look at the driver's side, and then we'll get in and start it. A little bit of snow blowing around here, but don't mind that. Got the nice driver's door card here with the crank window, which is awesome. It does have a universal floor mat, but if I remove that, you can see the rubber floor. It is in nice condition, but I'll just put that back in where it was. And yeah, you can tell the driver's seat, obviously, there had to have been a driver while the truck was used. You can tell someone got in and out a few times, but there's no like damage through the material or anything like that. You can just tell that bolster was exercised a little bit, but everything else is looking good, as well as the seat controls on the side there. This rocker panel, bit of wear on the edges there from getting in and out, but it's still very solid. Now let's get in the work truck here, and I've got the key now. Let's start it up. Fires right into life. Let me block the sun glare for us. There we go. And you can see there everything's very happy. Idle's nice and smooth. No warning lights or anything other than just me not having the seatbelt on sitting here. Radio, climate controls, everything's working awesome. Yeah, we already kind of looked at the dashboard, but just to show that again. Also, the steering wheel is in very nice condition. Very, very light wear, if any. So they did, you know, exercise care with this truck for sure while they used it. They took great care of it. Got the four-wheel drive controls down here, which we confirmed do work good. And now lastly, we are just going to pop the hood, which we will do right there. We're just gonna take a peek under here. Of course, I'm not a equipment expert, but you can view the additional equipment like this CTEK controller. You can view the information about that on the online listing, like I said. But yeah, you can see here, pretty clean under here. Everything's idling happily. And even like this controller here, you can see how neatly the wires are run, and they're all protected with a corrugated harness. So really all professionally done. And yeah, underside of the hood looks nice. Just want to show all that. So now that we've taken the thorough look at the Chevy work truck, I want to thank you for watching this video. Definitely leave a like on the video if you found it helpful. And if you are interested in this truck, reach out to our team here at AlphaCars, where we'd be happy to assist you with this vehicle. And we do offer vehicle transportation as well, so keep that in mind if you aren't local but you'd like this very well kept work vehicle. The last thing I'm going to mention, we don't have the original tailgate. So I know it says it in the online listing, but I do want to tell you we don't have the original tailgate. The truck was built like this really new. When it was new, I believe literally the truck was built new and it was sent to the equipment company to have all the things installed on it. So we don't have the tailgate. I just want to get that out of the way. And yeah, that's really it. So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe so then you don't miss any future motoring content.